Well, as you said, about 60 head of states, including ours, several ministers, prime ministers, business leaders, civil society. So all the people who have influence in the world on the direction that the economy must take are here. But we also have to keep with the trends. We are the leading economy in the country. We are a very important role player in the continent. So we always have to keep up with the trends. We always have to talk to people who matter, people who are influential in the economy. And we want to attract investment. We want to position the province better so that it can be able to achieve its full potential. And it's important that the province achieves its full potential, because when that happens, all the other provinces will benefit, because we have a big economy, and that's why we've never seen ourselves as a competitor with other provinces. But we think we have to collaborate and complement each other, because we've got different strengths.
Thank you very